Hello friends, this video Statistics Part 20 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Part 1 to Part 19. Division of a continuous frequency distribution. This case is similar to the discrete frequency distribution. Only difference here is, in this case you have the class intervals as we have seen. In case of continuous frequency distribution we have the class, for example 30 to 40, then we have 40 to 50, 50 to 60, right? So what we'll do? Instead of this class, we'll take xi as the midpoints of this 30 to 40, 30 plus 40 by 2, 35, 40 plus 50 by 2, 45, 50 plus 60 by 2, 655. So like this, we'll take the midpoints. Once we have the midpoints, that is xi's, and we have the frequency, we can use the same formulas actually. The same formulas we can use, that is 1 by n into fi into xi minus mean square. That is root mean square deviation. You get deviation, you square it, you get the mean, you find the root. Where n is nothing but you add the frequencies sigma fi, and mean is nothing but sigma fi xi by fi. And xi we get from this class. We take the mean of this class, upper limit and lower limit, and then it becomes same as discrete frequency. No difference. Here we have to find variance and standard deviation. The first thing we have to do here is to find mean, because without mean we can't do anything. The first thing we'll do is to find mean, and the mean formula we know is nothing but sigma fi xi, sigma fi xi by n. So we have to find fi xi in n. So let's first draw this graph table. This class is 30 40, then you have 40 50, next is 50 60, and then you have 60 70, and then you have 70 80, and 80 90, and 90 100. This is the class we have. The frequency is given 3 7 12 15 8 3 2. This is the frequency that is given. Now we have the frequency and we have the class. We don't have xi. To find xi, what we have to do? We will take the mean of the lower limit and upper limit of the class. 30 plus 40 by 2, 35. Similarly, 40 plus 50 by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60 by 2, 55. 60 plus 70 by 2, 65. 70 plus 80 by 2, 75. And 80 plus 90 by 2 is 85. And 90 plus 100 by 2 is 95. So we have got xi fi. We have to find summation of xi fi. So we have to multiply this two. So what we'll get is fi xi. Multiply this 3 into 35, that becomes 105. 45 into 7, that becomes 315. 12 into 55, that becomes 660. 50 into 65, this becomes 975. 8 into 75, that becomes 600, and 3 into 85, this becomes 255, and 2 into 95 becomes 190. What we have done, we just multiply this. 3 into 35, 105, 7 into 45, this, 12 into 55, 660, 50 into 65 is 975, 875, 8 into 75 is 600, 3 into 85 is 255, and 2 into 95 is 190. We have to find sigma fi xi, so let's add this. 5 plus 5 10, 20, 0, 2 carry, 2 1 3, 3 6 9, 9 plus 7 16, plus 5 21, plus 9 30, 3 carry, 3 1 4, 4 3 7, 7 and 6 13, 13 and 9 22, 28, 28 30, 31. So this is 3 1 0 0. To find n, we'll add all this frequency. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 12 is 22, plus 15 37, 37 plus 8 45, and 5 50. So n is also 50. Correct? So we have sigma fi xi and we have sigma fi, that is n. This is n is equal to. So we can find the value of mean. So mean is nothing but summation of fi xi by n, where I is equal to 1 to n actually. right? So this is nothing but 3100 by 50, and this value comes out to be 62. So we have mean is equal to 62. So how battle is won? We have the value of mean. Now what we have to do? We have to find the deviation of xi with mean, and we have to find the square. That is, we have to find xi minus 62. So let's first find xi minus 60. 35 minus 62 is nothing but minus of 37. Correct? 45 minus 62 is nothing but minus 27. What I am doing is this value I am subtracting minus 62 from this value, 62, sorry, from this value. 55 minus 62 is nothing but minus 17. 65 minus 62 is nothing but 65 minus 62. 65 minus 62 is nothing but 3. 75 minus 62 is 13. 85 minus 62 is 23. And 95 minus 62 is 33. The next step is we have to find the square of this, that is xi minus mean, that is 62 square. 37 square is nothing but 729. 27 square is nothing but 289. 17 square is nothing but, there is a miscalculation here, please. 35 minus 62 is 27. This is 17 and this is 07. There is a mistake on my part, calculation mistake. Correct? 27 square is 729, 17 square is 289, 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9, 13 square is 169, 23 square is 529, and 33 square is 1089. Right? See, xi minus 62, 35 minus 62 is minus 27, 45 minus 62 is minus 17, 55 minus 62 is minus 7. This is 07, and 65 minus 62 is 3. So we have got the value of xi minus x square. Let's add this. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 9 is all 9 only. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now let's find the value of fi into xi minus x mean square. Why? Because the formula of deviation which we have is mean deviation is nothing but 1 by n into sigma fi xi minus x mod square. That is nothing but variance. Correct? Variance. Variance is equal to this much. So let's find this value first. We will multiply the star mark with this star mark. What will get 3 into 729? That will get 2187. 7 into 289. What will get 2023? Correct? 12 into 49. Yeah, 12 into 49, what will get 588? 15 into 9, what will get 135? And 8 into 169, what will get is 1587. Sorry, 8 into 69, 8 9 is 72, 2, 7, 8 into 6, 48, 48 plus 7, 15, 5, 8, 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 1352, sorry. And 3 into 529 is nothing but 1587. Very simple. 3 into 529, 9, 3, 27, 3 into 6, 8, 5, 3, 15. 2 into 1089 is nothing but, just multiply by 2, 9 into 18, 8 into 16, 17, and 21. This is the values we got. We'll add these values. What will get 7 into 3, 10, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 2, 25 plus 7, 32 plus 0, 8, 40, 0, 4. 4 is carry here. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 3, 25, 30, 38 plus 7, 45, 4 carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, and 1, 20, 0, 2 carry, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. So 10050 we got. Now let's apply this formula. Variance is equal to 1 by n into sigma fi into xi minus mean square. That is n is 1 by n is 50, so this is 1 by 50 into 10050. 0 0 is cancelled, 5 also cancelled, so you get 2 0 1. So this is the value of variance. To find standard deviation is nothing but SD is nothing but root of variance, that is root of this. SD is nothing but root of variance, that is root of 201, and that value comes out to be 14.18. That is also the answer. We have two answers. Variance is 201 and standard deviation is 14.18. What we have done, first thing we did was we found the value of mean. To find the value of mean, we need fi/xi. So we first got xi's and then we got fi/xi's. We added this and we found the value of mean. Once we have the mean, we found a deviation of xi's from mean. We squared it, we got this value, and then we found fi into square of deviations. We got this values, we added this, we got this, and then we use the formula of variance is equal to 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus mean square to get the value of variance as 201. Once we have the value of variance, we got standard deviation as root of variance, that is 14.18. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.